Yo, what's up everyone? It's Gino. We're talking about leveling up your business, and in today's world, that means integrating some seriously powerful tech, specifically artificial intelligence. We've all heard the buzzwords, but trust me, this is more than just hype. AI is changing the game for businesses of all sizes, especially if you're hustling in the online world. Efficiency is key, right? Well, AI is like having a team of robots working 24/7 to automate tasks, analyze data, and basically just make your life easier. This isn't about replacing what you do, it's about amplifying it. So, whether you're running an e-commerce store, building a brand, or offering services online, stick around because we're diving deep into the AI tools that can take your business to the next level. First up, let's talk customer service. Answering emails, resolving issues, it can feel like a never-ending grind. That's where AI chatbots and virtual assistants come in. We're not talking about those clunky bots from the past that just frustrate everyone. Modern AI-powered chatbots can handle a surprising amount of customer interactions. Think about it, they're available 24/7, they can answer frequently asked questions instantly, and they can even qualify leads before passing them on to you. This frees you up to deal with the more complex issues, the stuff that actually requires a human touch. Plus, these AI tools are constantly learning and improving. They analyze past conversations to provide even better support in the future. That means happier customers, fewer headaches for you, and more time to focus on growing your business. The bottom line is this: AI customer service isn't about replacing human connection. It's about making those connections even better. Now let's talk marketing. You're putting your message out there, but are you reaching the right people? AI can help you fine-tune your targeting with a level of precision you wouldn't believe. Imagine analyzing massive data sets to understand your ideal customer better than they understand themselves. AI digs into demographics, online behavior, purchase history, you name it, to build a complete picture. This means your marketing campaigns hit the mark every single time. No more wasted ad spend, no more shouting into the void, just targeted messaging that converts. And it's not just about finding the right audience, it's about delivering the right message at the right time. AI can personalize your content, recommend products, and even predict what a customer needs before they know it themselves. It's like having a marketing guru working behind the scenes, constantly optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact. All right, let's get real for a second. Data can be overwhelming. You've got spreadsheets, analytics, dashboards, and more numbers than you know what to do with. But here's the thing, data is power. It's the key to understanding your business, your customers, and your opportunities. AI steps in to make sense of it all. AI-powered tools can analyze massive data sets in seconds, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that would take you hours, days, even weeks to find on your own. This isn't just about vanity metrics. It's about actionable insights. AI can tell you which products are performing well, identify areas where you're losing customers, and even predict future trends in your industry. Armed with this knowledge, you can make smarter decisions, optimize your strategies, and stay ahead of the curve. No more guessing games, just data-driven decisions that fuel your growth. Content is king, right? But creating high-quality content consistently takes time and energy. The good news is, AI can help lighten the load. We're talking AI writers that can generate blog posts, social media updates, even video scripts. Meta, I know, right? Now, I'm not saying you should hand over the reins entirely. Your unique voice and perspective are what make your content special, but AI can be a powerful tool for brainstorming ideas, overcoming writer's block, and even translating your content into different languages. Imagine being able to produce engaging content at scale, reaching a wider audience without sacrificing quality. That's the power of AI content creation. Last but not least, let's talk about project management. Keeping track of deadlines, delegating tasks, and ensuring everything stays on track can feel like a full-time job in itself. But guess what? There's an AI for that too. AI-powered project management tools can streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and even predict potential roadblocks before they happen. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you prioritize tasks, schedule meetings, and keep your team in sync. These tools use machine learning to analyze past projects, identify patterns, and optimize your workflow for maximum efficiency. That means fewer delays, less stress, and more time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. So we've covered a lot of ground today, from customer service to content creation. The takeaway is simple. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. These tools are accessible, they're affordable, and they're ready to revolutionize the way you do business. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly evolving. As the technology gets smarter, we can expect even more powerful tools and applications in the years to come. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't wait. Start automating your way to success today. Subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for business growth.